Hi, this is Sally from the Crochet Web. Today I want to show you how to do triple trebles, which is the UK name for a double treble. So I'm going to stick to the UK name for it, triple trebles. So I've just done a row of trebles as a foundation, and then to go up in my rows I'm going to go 4 chains up, which is more or less the height of a triple treble. So keep your hook facing forwards, and we're going to take the yarn round 3 times, and this stitch we'll leave that alone because the chains are already coming out of that stitch there. So we're going to this hole here, top of that treble, and in catch hold, pull through 2, round, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. This pattern makes a great kind of summer top because you can do row of trebles, row of triple trebles, just put a little vest top underneath and you're good to go. So I'll just show you that again. Round 3 times into the top of the stitch below. Make sure you have 2 strands on your hook because that keeps your work more solid. Pull it through, round, through 2, round, through 2, round, through 2, and round through 2. So these are triple trebles and they work up really quickly. So that's why I love crochet, it's so adaptable. And I'm just going to finish this row and then I'm going to show you how to do a twisted triple treble, which looks really effective. I do a scarf out of a twisted triple treble, and I am in the process of doing that pattern, and it'll be out here shortly on my YouTube. So around 3 times into the hole. Obviously this is just a sample. I love this wool, by the way. It's just got like a sparkle running all the way through it. Perfect for practicing on little scraps of wool that you've got. And last one, and then we'll turn and I'll show you a twisted triple treble. Right, we'll turn there. So this is a triple treble, these are trebles, so you can see the difference. Okay, I'm going to go up 4 chains, and then for a twisted triple treble you do the treble thing. So yarn round 3 times. You're going to skip this one and come back to it. So we're going to go into this next one, in, and then work a triple treble as normal. And then we're going to do start your triple treble, and you're going to come behind this triple treble and put your hook into this one here. So put your hook behind, go in from the back. This makes the most gorgeous 3D. I can't even tell you, this is my favourite thing to do. I love twisted triple trebles. And then you get this kind of, doesn't look much with just one done, but I'll do the whole row and then you'll see how effective it is, especially for a scarf. I get lots of compliments on my twisted triple treble scarf. So I'll do that again. So you put your 3 strands round, come round the back, go in to that one that you've missed, back through, catch your yarn. You're kind of working at the back of that, the furthest one along. through 2, round through 2, round through 2, and round through 2. So there you've got 2 sets of twisted triple trebles. So I'll just do another set. I think I should be able to fit one more set on the row. So round 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going into that chain from the previous row, and then we're going to come back because I've skipped a stitch. So hopefully in this video you've learned how to do a triple treble and a twisted triple treble. Go back into that one. And these are the quickest stitches to work up in crochet. How funky is that, and how 3D is that? Thank you for watching. Hope you can subscribe. It would really help my channel grow. See you in the next one. Thank you.